today I'm gonna share with you the home remedies for common cold and cough. Natural home remedy. Number 1. Ginger tea. The tea helps in drying the runny and dripping nose, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. Among various health benefits of ginger, it is known to soothe common cold and speed up the recovery process. Number 2. Milk and turmeric. An essential ingredient found in almost all Indian kitchens, turmeric has a strong antioxidant which helps in treating many health problems. Turmeric mixed in warm milk is a popular and effective way to fight against cold and cough. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk before sleeping helps in faster recovery from cold and cough. Number 3. Steam. The steam can help your nose and throat from being too dry and get rid of that back of the throat tickle. The moisture can also ease your breathing and loosen mucus, helping you cough it up. Try breathing in steam from a hot shower or use a humidifier in your room while you sleep. Number 4. Honey with lemon. Drinking warm lemon water mixed with honey is a time-honored way to soothe a sore throat. But honey alone may be an effective cough suppressant too. In one study, children ages 1 to 5 with upper respiratory tract infections were given up to 2 teaspoons of honey at bedtime. The honey seemed to reduce nighttime coughing and improve sleep. Number 5. Salt and water gargle. Mixing salt with warm water can help to relieve irritation caused by cough and also kills bacteria. Gargle the water in the back of your throat for as long as you can handle. Then swish the water around the mouth and teeth afterwards. Gargling at least twice a day is recommended. Number 6. Essential oil. Essential oil is another great home remedy for cold and cough. The oils help to decrease the spread at which the virus multiplies inside the body. Cinnamon, peppermint, lemon, eucalyptus, and thyme oils are considered the best oils for cold. Put some essential oil in a diffuser for relief. And lastly, taking rest. Rest is one of the best ways to help your body heal. So in a sense, you can sleep off a cold. Sleep helps boost the immune system and can help you recover from a cold more quickly.